Alright, hey guys, Vladimir here. Today we're playing ModNation Racers. Me and my brothers. I got Kim. Just so you know, I probably won't win and I might even lose because I'm actually pretty bad at this game. This is gonna be fun. Shush, Mr. Smiles.
I refuse to listen to you.
It's that iPhone camera, that's what camera is. I'm the top left.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm the blonde in the red car.
There you go.
That's extremely specific, and I think comments specific. Yes.
Now you're peaching on. Now you're
No, I feel happy because I feel like I'm the only one who can ask that right in this room.
I can say
Specific.
it's specific.
No, but whenever you tell it to me, you're like,
Bomb, 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 bomb.
Yeah, I'd say
Royce.
whenever I tell it to you because I.
hey guys, have some of that.
This is the weirdest track ever, and I made it. That's another thing.
Yes, but you were trying to make that 5.
Spirals, it wouldn't let me make 5 spirals. Extremely.
No, it's just that you crashed into the road.
No, there's a certain thing in it.
What?
And I crossed it. I was only at Come on, I'm trying to get these. My handling, I have sacrificed my oh. Well, apparently driving in green lights is
That's what I heard.
whoop, 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 whoop. See, look, dubstep hurts your ears. That's the thing.
What?
The dubstep is hurting your ears. I should probably do it because that's what I sacrificed my
Well,
ears.
my ears are like keen and super sensitive.
For future reference, we're going to call that weapon the dubstep gun. So
Dubstep is poison.
Go look at the weird that.
Chaos control!
And of course, the dubstep is garbage in my opinion. If you have your ears on that kind of stuff on the sound that you make when you put them to the CD.
Go look in the mirror.
But that's just my opinion. So if you like dubstep, that's completely fine with me. I don't hate you. If you're one of my subscribers, I'd like to stay one of my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Because that's what YouTube channels want. If you don't subscribe,
Unless they want to do it to inform people because they like doing that. Ah, no hydro for you!
It's sucking so horribly right now. I don't even care.
Look at yourself in the mirror. How awesome do you look?
I'm gonna send off a high.
Totally awesome because he's black and he's wearing 8 ears.
That's what
Yes.
I was gonna say, but I didn't mean to say it because he was good.
Hey, buddy.
Yes, let's just drift around this spiral.
These are my ears. Go away!
Oh no! Don't let Slendy
You
do
set
this!
us the bomb.
landmine.
You set me up the bomb. You piece of.
One lap left on all contestants.
Yep. Come on, someone's gonna get wrecked. No.
Ah, great.
I pulled in a second just by
Just watch your game.
drifting. Right?
Until
He's
now.
like right behind you.
Oh, I thought you were down there.
I was like, no. Mr. Smiles.
Busy.
Yeah, I see that. I'm busy too. I want to get a win on you. Work. Yes!
You got lucky.
I got first.
You got lucky.
Mr. Smiles has been defeated.
Yes, that was amazing.
I would kill you now.
Amazing.
What a race.
Yes, sir. What a race. All right.
Mr.
Vladimir
Smiles
out.
is extremely TikTok now.
Do it again.